Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view and find archived orders on Amazon. This is particularly useful when you want to declutter your main order history while still keeping a record of past purchases that you might need to reference later. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Here's something important you need to know. In many Amazon accounts, the Archive Orders feature has been removed or hidden in the 2026 interface. This means you might not see this option at all, depending on how Amazon has configured your account settings. This change has affected quite a few users, so don't worry if you can't find it. It's not something you've done wrong. However, if you're one of the users who still has access to this feature, you should be able to see an option labeled Archived Orders somewhere on your account page. It's typically listed among other order-related options. If you can see archived orders, simply click on it. This will take you directly to a page displaying all the orders you've previously archived. These are orders you've intentionally moved out of your main order history to keep things organized. Once you're on the archived orders page, you'll be able to browse through all your archived purchases. You can review order details, check delivery information, and even unarchive items if you want to move them back to your main order history. This feature is especially handy if you've archived seasonal purchases, gifts, or items you simply wanted to hide from your primary view but still need access to occasionally. And that's how you view and find archived orders on Amazon, assuming your account still has this feature available. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.